Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Old Bill's Barbecue.
All right, so we're here to make some chicken lollipops, otherwise known as Frenched chicken legs. So to start out, you're just gonna cut around that base bone around the bottom of the drum, okay? We wanna get the meat of the chicken leg all loose, and we're just gonna push our fingers down into it to try and separate the meat from the bone. Okay, there's gonna be some tendons in there. You just wanna push them all down right to the other end. Once you get there, there is a little bone inside here. I just break it off so that way it doesn't splinter off into somebody's mouth when they're eating the chicken later. Okay, next up, you're gonna push all that meat back down. Make sure that skin's all the way around it. You're gonna pull it as tight as you can. And we're just gonna cut around in a full circle so that way we are better able to remove the knuckle on this end of the chicken leg. Okay, so once you have it fully detached, you can just grab that knuckle and twist and turn and pull until it pops right off the end. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then you're gonna pull all the skin down, make everything tight, make sure it goes all the way around the bottom so you can have a nice flat base, and there you go. You got your beautiful chicken lollipop. All right, we're gonna take you to the steps in hyper speed through a few more just so you can see what it's like. This is quite the lengthy process when you're doing a large amount of them for a big party, but trust me, at the end when they're all smoked and beautifully golden brown, it's well worth it. All right, so to season our beautiful chicken legs, we started it with some lemon pepper. Okay, we just sprinkled it onto our pan in a good liberal amount, so that way we can actually just take our chicken lollies and we can just roll them right in that pile of seasoning. Okay, you're gonna do that by just grabbing the bone. It's all Frenched and clean now, so we're gonna grab that bone. I'm just gonna roll that whole chicken lollipop in your seasoning just like this. Trying to cover all sides so you get all that beautiful, delicious seasoning on your chicken. Once you get all your chicken lollies all seasoned up, you're gonna take them. You're gonna have a few little squares of foil set aside. And we're gonna wrap the bone in foil so that way we don't get a discoloration on the bone when it's smoking and cooking. So you're just gonna take your foil and you're gonna wrap it around the bone just like this. Be nice and tight. Twist the end on it so that way it stays nice and closed in. And there you go, you got it perfectly wrapped in foil. All right, so we're gonna throw our finished lollies up onto our cooking rack so that way we can get them out of the way when we wanna start our second batch. All right, so for our second batch, we're gonna be using an all-purpose chicken and rib seasoning. So again, just gonna put a liberal amount up onto our pan so we can roll our chicken lollipops in that seasoning. Just makes the process of seasoning these bad boys so much easier. Once you have the seasoning down, you're gonna take your lolly and you're just gonna roll it in the seasoning until all sides are covered in a good amount. Okay, now that we're finished seasoning, we're gonna take our squares of foil. We're gonna wrap those bones again so that way they don't get any discoloration. We're gonna throw our second set of chicken lollipops onto our cooking rack, and then we're gonna be getting ready to go to the smoker. We'll see you out there.
Hey everybody, beautiful day outside. We got our pit sitting at about 275 degrees. We're gonna throw our beautiful chicken lollipops into our smoker for about 2 hours. We'll come back out and check on them. We'll see you then. Look at these delicious lollipops. We'll see you in a bit.
All right, it's been 2 hours. Let's take a look. We got the color perfect. Let's take this foil off and see if there was any discoloration. Look at that bone. It is perfect. Not dark at all. Let's take a look at the other ones, the lemon pepper. Beautiful. Nice white bone on there. That's perfect. These turned out phenomenal.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with what we do each Wednesday. These are chicken lollipops. Woo! That's good.